The future's loading, watch it all begin.
Good morning, good afternoon. It's Ron Brown with Tech for Senior. I just got Chrome OS 151. I've made a short video to help you understand, but in a summary, Chrome OS 151 is a modest update and not a switch to Android. Some key improvements include an automatic hiding bookmarks bar, Gemini file uploading and document generation on supported devices, better scam and phishing detection while using Gemini, and important security and stability fixes. Stronger protections for managed school and business Chromebooks. Google is separately preparing an Android-based laptop platform called Google Book. Expect on new devices beginning in the fall of 2026. It will combine Android apps, Chrome's browser experience, and deep Gemini integration. Your current Chromebook remains on Chrome OS and should continue receiving updates until its stated expiration date. Google has not promised that existing Chromebooks, including Chromebook Plus models, will automatically convert to the new Android-based system. So the bottom line is this: Chrome OS 151 improves today's Chromebook. Google Book represents Google's Android-based laptop future. It should be coming out this fall. Stay tuned to this channel for more information. Hope you enjoy the video. Enjoy your Chromebook. Ron Brown, till we see you again. Have a great day.
We're going to break down the very practical, brand new features arriving literally right now in ChromeOS 151. And then we're going to zoom way out. We're looking at the massive looming transition to a completely new platform that Google is calling the Google Book. If you rely on a Chromebook every day, this is stuff you absolutely need to know. Here's a quick look at our agenda for today. First, meet ChromeOS 151. Second, Gemini and scam protection. Third, behind-the-scenes fixes. Fourth, enter the Google Book. And finally, your Chromebook's future. Okay, part 1. Meet ChromeOS 151, the modest update. Now, I know our sources are calling this a fairly modest update, but honestly, don't let that fool you. It's arriving at a super pivotal moment in Google's history, really acting as a bridge between the Chromebooks we use today and the future Google is building. The big takeaway right now is that version 151 is officially here. Specifically, we're talking about ChromeOS version 1673.348.0, and that includes Chrome browser version 151.0.7922.141. This stable update kicked off its rollout on August 13th, 2026. And hey, quick note for those of you keeping older hardware alive, this is rolling out to both traditional Chromebooks and ChromeOS Flex computers, so a really wide sweep of devices are getting these upgrades. One of the most highly requested little tweaks in this update is all about clearing up visual clutter. If you're someone who rarely uses your bookmarks bar, Chrome can now automatically hide it on the new tab page. It's a breeze to set up. You just go to Chrome settings, click Appearance, and toggle Show Bookmarks Bar. If Chrome ends up hiding it automatically, it'll actually show you a little message letting you know how to restore it. Just keep in mind this is a gradual rollout, so if it's not there today, check back in a few days. Moving right along to Section 2. Gemini and scam protection, AI enhancements. So, quick heads up first, these features do depend on you having a supported Chromebook and account during the staged rollout. But once you've got it, Gemini in Chrome is getting some seriously powerful upgrades right inside the browser. You can literally just upload a file and start asking Gemini questions about it. Want to compare that file with, say, an article you have open in another tab? You can do that too. It can also effortlessly spin up Google Docs, Sheets, PDFs, the whole shebang. And the best part, you can access Gemini without ever leaving the web page you're currently looking at. It is all about creating a totally frictionless workflow. But honestly, what really stands out to me in this update is how Gemini is stepping up for security. When Gemini is analyzing an open web page, Chrome can now trigger a real-time safe browsing check. This is basically designed to instantly spot newly created scam websites, phishing pages, malicious links, and those tricky deceptive redirects way before they can do any damage to your system. And this so what here is absolutely huge. I want to connect this directly to the folks who probably need it most. Our sources specifically point out how crucial this is for seniors. Think about it. Scam websites are incredibly fast-moving. They pop up, disappear, and reappear under a completely new address in minutes. Old-school static block lists just can't keep up with that pace. This real-time AI-driven check acts like an active, breathing shield against those rapid-fire threats. Section 3. Behind-the-scenes fixes, security and management. While the flashy AI tools get all the press, the real backbone of ChromeOS 15.1 comes down to these critical, behind-the-scenes, back-end updates. For instance, if you're on a managed device, a Chromebook from your school or your job, protections have gotten a major boost. There used to be a loophole, but as of 15.1, you can no longer bypass an administrator's blocked site rules just by popping open an incognito window. They've also rolled out some brilliant upgrades to enterprise data loss protection, which now includes scanning files you access through virtual spots like OneDrive. And this next bit perfectly illustrates how the platform is modernizing. Older packaged Chrome apps have officially been booted from kiosk mode. It's basically sweeping out the dusty legacy code to make room for modern progressive web apps, or PWAs. Just to be totally clear, your regular Android or web apps, totally untouched. This is strictly about cleaning up old systems in those specialized kiosk setups. So, before we move on to the big stuff, please don't skip this update just because it doesn't look drastically different on the surface. ChromeOS 151 packs in vital security corrections that touch window management, authentication, payments, extensions, file access, you name it. Even if you don't visually see the changes, these underlying security fixes are absolutely the #1 reason to go hit that update button today. All right, Section 4, enter the Google Book, the macro shift. So we're zooming out from the micro features of today's ChromeOS 151, and we're looking at the massive transition Google's gearing up for. Because while they're updating ChromeOS today, they're actually laying down an entirely new foundation for tomorrow. Let's address the elephant in the room right now. Is ChromeOS 151 becoming Android? The answer is a firm, unequivocal no. ChromeOS 151 is still the traditional Linux-based operating system it's always been. Yes, it runs Android apps, but 51 itself hasn't suddenly turned into Android. This update is not some stealth operating system swap on your current hardware. Instead, Google has actually announced a totally new laptop category. It's called the Google Book. So rather than just dropping Android apps inside ChromeOS the way we do now, the Google Book is fundamentally built on the Android technology stack. It's built to blend Android's massive app ecosystem and modern AI foundation with the lightweight, browser-focused feel of ChromeOS. And of course, Gemini is deeply woven right into the interface. The stuff they've already announced for this platform sounds completely wild. For example, they've got this magic pointer feature. You just wiggle your mouse cursor over a date to instantly create a calendar event, or point at 2 pictures and ask Gemini to merge them. Then there's Create Your Widget, where you can literally just describe what you want, like a travel dashboard with flights, hotels, and a countdown timer, and Gemini builds it from scratch. Plus, since it's built on Android 17, it's promising real desktop-style multitasking, resizable windows, and seamless integration with your phone, meaning you could open your Android phone apps directly on your laptop screen. And if you're sitting there thinking, this is a decade away, think again. The very first Google Books from major players like Acer, Asus, Dell, HP, and Lenovo are slated to hit the market as early as fall 2026. This shift is moving fast. Which brings us to Section 5, your Chromebook's future. What happens next? Let's bring this right back to reality, back to the device sitting on your desk right now. Google is playing a really smart 2-track game here. On the current platform track, you have your Chromebook. It runs ChromeOS, it's web first with Android and Gemini added on top, and it is going to keep getting regular updates. On the future platform track, you have the Google Book. That's the one built on an Android foundation from day one, where apps, Chrome, and Gemini are perfectly intertwined, and that's arriving in late 2026. So what does this mean for you right now? First off, your current Chromebook will absolutely continue getting updates, just like the 151 update we've been talking about today. Google's Auto Update Expiration dates, those still fully apply. ChromeOS and Google Book are going to peacefully coexist for a while. However, our sources make one thing very clear. A complete OS conversion to Google Book might eventually require buying new hardware. Do not go buy a Chromebook today banking on it magically transforming into a Google Book down the road. In fact, I want to read you something directly from our sources because I think it gives absolute peace of mind. If you're at all worried that Android is about to immediately replace your current setup, the reassuring answer for viewers is not yet, and their present Chromebook is not suddenly becoming obsolete. The simple fact that you are downloading ChromeOS 151 today proves that normal development, support, and security patches are rolling on exactly as promised. Which leaves us with this final thought. We are standing on the edge of a fundamental shift in how Google approaches computing. The dividing lines between our phones and our laptops are about to vanish entirely. So I'll leave you with this. If Android and Chrome perfectly merge tomorrow, what is the one single feature you would want most on your laptop? Think about that as your ChromeOS 15.1 update finishes downloading in the background.